Are you serious?
Ooh. What should I do with my hands? Wow! That is a big lens opening.
Oh my god, the screen is huge.
Okay, this is gonna be fantastic.
And it flips out, that's awesome.
Feels right in your hands. This is insane.
This is a 24-70. This is like my favorite lens.
This is nice. It feels so good in my hand.
Silent.
25,600 ISO.
Wow, this viewfinder, this is great.
I've never seen a viewfinder so clear.
The menu is similar to what I've seen before, which is fantastic.
Right away you can navigate it.
I feel like I can go from shooting DSLR to now mirrorless, and it can feel pretty seamless.
Ooh.
Are you serious?
This allows us to go every lens on this camera. The 500 f5.6.
Now we're talking.
That is so cool that you got access to all your lenses and a whole range of other lenses. That is pretty amazing.
I'm gonna be able to use every lens in my bag as well as make use of the new glass.
And it's still not heavy.
It's so super easy and light.
It doesn't feel like it's out of balance.
Oh, it's nice.
I'm just excited to put this in motion.
It feels like there's a gimbal built into the camera.
Just attach it to cars and jibs.
I'm excited to find out about the new lenses that come out.
Okay, now we've hit the jackpot. 0.95.
I mean, it's the best of both worlds.
There's no barrier to switch to this at all.
This is my new, I can already tell, my new fast and light solution.
Love it. Thank you.
I have to get one last look before I leave.
Can someone bring in the model? Let's do a shoot.